Good evening everyone, and today we're looking at the Citizen's Dress Watch Red Arrows collection. Not going to worry about the box today, it's just a simple outside packaging. Just presented a nice little Red Arrows fashion. Just simple fold over plastic sort of cover like you get with batteries. Nothing too fancy, but it's not meant to be fancy, it's meant to be in celebration of the Red Arrows and stuff like that. So, this is the Citizen's Dress Watch Red Arrows collection. Sits at 32mm watch face and is fully solar powered. Looking at the face, we've got a pure white face here. I think there's 4 models in this collection of that Citizen's making. Obviously a white face here. Let's peel off this plastic here, so we can see it a little bit better. So as you can see, it's a full white face with a obviously a red arrow on plane on the actual face here. No actual dial functions other than just a time with a simple seconds hand. Non-luminous hands. Both hands are actually blue and red, just to represent the blue and red theme of the watch and Britain and the red arrows theme. No chronograph function, as you can see here. Case diameter sits at 32mm. It's not a massive watch. Case thickness, I believe, is around about 12.5mm. It's not that 12.5mm. Sorry. Case width is 32mm, and then this one's going to be probably about a centimetre or so width. Looking around the case, obviously inside the face, we've just got a plain inside ring inside here with an slightly elliptical mineral glass finish to it. Waterproof to 100 metres. Looking at the casing, we've got a pure plastic casing that's got this reflective feature to it. Full reflective casing with full plastic finish there. On the back, we've obviously got a matte plastic finish with that 100-metre 10-bar resistance, made in China, as you could probably expect. Operates on a quartz movement as well. Components seem to be well made together, so it's one of those sort of watches you'd expect to have when you go swimming. So, it's just a simple clicking mechanism with a nice strong crown movement to it. It's nothing fancy, but it's just a simple functional watch, which is what I like, and it celebrates this Red Arrows theme. Right, looking at the joint connections for the bracelet. So the bracelet is connected by double-ended small popper pins here, and the strap is a simple silicone strap with single windows for the red little hinge to go through, and the strap is obviously two-tone, as you can see here, with a nice mix of a pinky red theme to it. Not much else to say about the watch other than the fact that it's got these nice little red arrow shapes on the side, and obviously the Royal Air Force on the top here. Overall, a nice little design with little red arrows on top as well. I hope you enjoyed that quick video, guys, just having a little look at the Red Arrows watch in the Red Arrows Citizen watch collection.